Welcome to Cleanipedia. Always read the instructions and test a small area before using a product. Clean up spills as soon as possible while they're fresh. This will make removal easier and will keep your food areas hygienic. Remove all food from the fridge before cleaning. If your fridge has removable shelves and drawers, these can be tackled first. Unless heavily stained with food residue, they need nothing more than a good long soak in a basin of warm water and dishwashing soap. For stubborn stains, consider using a food-friendly antibacterial cleaner, such as Cif Antibacterial Cleaner. Spray the disinfectant spray onto the interior of the fridge. Wipe clean with paper towels or a microfiber cloth. An open dish of baking soda left in the fridge will absorb any strong food smells. Always read the instructions when using a product. Find more useful cleaning tips at cleanipedia.co.uk.